today's hectic society. We are not able to sleep or concentrate well, and it is easy to feel overwhelmed. Meditation can be the key to solving these problems, but it is hard to learn in the traditional way. What if there was a better and easier way to learn meditation and improve your quality of life? This is MindNap, your portable meditation assistant. MindNap is composed of hardware and an app. It guides your breaths through vibration to help you enter a deeper meditative state of relaxation. During the whole process, it detects your biosignals. Afterward, it translates them into a visualized evaluation of your meditation performance on the app, so you will get a better understanding of the depth of your meditation. MindNap comes with a wide range of built-in breathing modes from which to choose. You can have your brain and mood boosted quickly with effective meditation wherever you want. Anytime, anywhere. It brings out the best in you, both in work and life. Based on your previous training record, MindNap matches you with the most suitable training plan. As your training accumulates, you will be surprised at how much your life has upgraded and how well you can cope with stress and anxiety in everyday life. You can make today a new beginning, and MindNap is here to help you on your new journey. MindNap, your portable meditation assistant.
Ostrich Pillow presents the Huggable Heat Bag. Huggable and cozy companion. Its smart design allows a slow heat release on one side, while being huggable on the other, giving you a long-lasting feeling of natural warmth. Eco-friendly from its natural clay core and recycled foam to its external, huggable soft cotton skin. Microwave it or boil and you are set. Or use it cold as a pain relief. No need to waste more water. Reuse it again and again, and wash it as many times as you need. It's simple and safe to use. The Huggable Heat Bag, your everyday soothing companion by Ostrich Pillow. Self-care matters. Thanks for backing this project and helping us make it happen.
At Xeric, we're known for creating new and often unconventional ways of telling time. This past year, we asked ourselves the question, what would the most minimal version of a Xeric watch look like? We now introduce the limited edition Regulator Automatic. We've broken down timekeeping into its purest form, separating the hours, minutes, and seconds into distinctly isolated functions. To pull this off, we turn to the mechanical regulator clocks of the 18th century, which were used when legibility was essential and sometimes meant life or death. Railway conductors, mariners, and even Captain Cook on his voyages around the globe relied on regulator clocks' clear and simple way of time telling. Separating functions into isolated subdials allows the reader to see each hand clearly and distinctly. In an impressive mechanical feat, the movement powers hours, minutes, and seconds on separate posts rather than just one central pinion. The Regulator Automatic uses a high-quality self-winding Japanese Miyota movement that we've customized with uniquely designed and precisely balanced rotor. We're of the mindset that functional minimalism doesn't equate to stark, boring design. The regulator features raised and sunken elements to accentuate the simple timekeeping of each hand, while also giving you a glimpse into the automatic movement that powers the timepiece. A subtle AM/PM indicator ring is built into the 24-hour display, and a split display for the seconds adds a little Xeric DNA to the watch. We're proud to bring you our handcrafted watches made from the best materials. A sapphire crystal, American-sourced Torween leather, and an unparalleled design make the watch an incredible deal for our Kickstarter backers. These stunning time machines are individually numbered and limited to just 999 pieces per color, so pledge quickly and reserve yours now.
Hello there! Due to the pandemic, we currently use 90% more sanitizers to clean our hands. But after using the sanitizer, our hands may be clean, but how clean is the sanitizer? After touching the sanitizer for more than 2 days, its surface is contaminated with viruses and bacteria, and it poses a greater risk of use than protection. That's why we present Handy 2, the universal dispenser to protect your sanitizer. Handy 2 is a universal holder for all sanitizers. It can be placed in your home, your office, anywhere. And the installation is as easy as putting a picture on a wall. With Handy 2, you do not touch your sanitizer, you use your elbow. Protect your sanitizer so it can protect you.
Hello and welcome to Mission Control for the ISS Above. I created this gadget because I'm so inspired by the International Space Station and what it represents for the world. And I say it makes a difference when you know that this football field-sized piece of human engineering is in your skies. And even more importantly, that you happen to know that the only 6 human beings in space are above you right now. After the first Kickstarter in February last year, there are now over 800 of them around the world, flashing away as a beacon of inspiration to all who could see it. So this is an ISS Above. It's built using a Raspberry Pi. It's really simple to use. All you do is just plug in your TV to the HDMI port, plug in Ethernet to your home router into this port here, then you plug in the power, and then within just a few minutes you start seeing mission control for the International Space Station, including these detailed graphical information screens about the future passes of the ISS. Also, the current expedition crew members, and then a world map showing the current position of the ISS in its orbit. Whenever the ISS is in sunlight, that's the yellow portion of the orbit here, that's when the cameras on the space station are active. This is what that looks like. You can imagine just for a moment what it must be like for the astronauts who are living up there at this very moment. So what is this Kickstarter about? Well, it's all about more lights and bigger lights and even wearable lights And the way that's going to be possible is through this little device called a pulsar. This is a custom designed piece of technology that's been created with my partnership with Acrobotic and the super clever Cisco Zabala. So here is a close-up of the pulsar. It's built using an Arduino, which includes a Bluetooth LE chip plus a real-time clock. And that's what makes possible the wearable version of the ISS Above. It has a pulsar on the back, and on the front it's got a ring of LEDs. It's just plugged into a 5-volt battery of the sort that you get to charge your phone. And when you plug it in, the nearest ISS Above will detect it and then automatically program it with up to 50 future passes of the ISS. How cool is that? If you want to use one of those big LED strips, but you don't need the flexibility of the pulsar, we do actually have this device, which is an ISS Pi Hat. This allows you just to connect it directly onto your ISS Above, plug in one of those big LED strips, and away you go. If you have any questions, just ask. I'll be the one that's likely to be responding to you. So I'll leave it with this. Thank you so much for taking this time to watch this video. Behind me, we've actually got live views from the space station right this very moment as I'm recording this. And you too could enjoy these views as well for yourself. Just back the project. Thank you so much. Goodbye.